Hey everybody, it's Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we are on the Sky Ride, and this time we're going from Cheetah Hunt, which is right below us here, all the way to Stanley Falls. We also did a POV of the opposite direction there with Stanley Falls going to Cheetah Hunt. So we are giving you both angles here because this is such an iconic ride, and rumor has it you don't know how long it's going to be around, but right in front of us here is Cheetah Hunt, and right over on this side here is Iron Gwazi's drop. There goes Cheetah Hunt. But this is a nice little addition here. Now, it costs $5 if you're not a pass member, but if you are a pass member, it actually is free. And you get you from the one side of the park to the other side of the park, and takes you through the Serengeti, some of the best views of the Serengeti. Now, that tower right in front of us there, that is, wow, where is it? I hear it. There it is, there's Cheetah Hunt. So, but right over there, that is Falcon's Fury. Right over there is Shikra. Hold on, we got some trees there. There's Shikra right there. And right in front of us is Serengeti Flyer, which is our giant swing ride here. And of course, that is Cobra's Curse. So, the one thing about this ride that I really personally like a lot is the fact that you get to see a lot of the animal sections that you don't usually get to. There is Cobra's Curse too. So we're going to be facing this direction here. But if you want to see the other direction, make sure you check out our other POV. But right there is Iron Gwazi, right there is Shikra, Tigress is there, Falcon's Fury and all that. And like I said, right in front of us here is Serengeti Swing, where we actually got some great views of it on our first ride there. But the whole point of this ride is to enjoy the animal habitats. Right there's the elephant habitat. You can see them really good from here. Right over there, the blue ride right in front of us is, well, that's the green one is Kumba, but the other one is the newest ride, which is Phoenix Rising. Here you got a whole little water area for the elephants, and right there is Falcon's Fury going up in the air. But let's show you out this side here. This is the part that you don't get to see unless you're here, which is the Serengeti section of the park where all the major rides are. Oh, right there is Falcon's Fury going. Oh, Phoenix Rising, sorry. Phoenix Rising. There's Falcon's Fury going up to the top. But, yep, so this is the Serengeti. This is where all the animals are. And the two ways to see it is here with the sky view, or the other way that you can actually enjoy the Serengeti is right in front of us with the train. But, yeah, right there, that's the Pantopia Theater. You can actually still see Scorpion, which is now defunct. But, yeah, this whole section here, this is all the safari. Where the animals get to roam and enjoy life and stuff, right in the middle of East Tampa. So, and all the way in the far away there is the water park, which one day I will go to. But so right here by the train tracks and stuff, this is a turnaround where then it shoots you out there to Stanley Falls where you get off. But yet again, this was defunct for a while, so the fact that it's going again is a nice little addition, and you get some great views of Kumba. We don't know the history of Kumba. There's rumors that it might be leaving us, but you don't know. So this is a checkpoint only, not an exit, because there is really nothing out here as we go into the station here. But we'll do a quick little turnaround, and then we'll launch out to Stanleyville. Hello, sir. And we're off as we head to the next part. But here you get some great views. Right there is Phoenix Rising, and you can see the other part of the Sky Ride. And then over here, this is Kumba, which, like I said, we don't know the future of Kumba. It is a classic B&M looper, and by classic I mean it's over 40 years old, so we don't know how much longer it's going to be around. But this whole section here is brand new with the Phoenix Rising going over the service road, which you really don't get to see. The only thing back here before used to be the Sand Serpent, but there's some more views of Kumba as we go by. There's some great shots of Kumba, so if I ever need footage of Kumba, I know, check out the sky view. But right here, this building right in front of us is the Pantopia Theater, and then right in front of us there, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, that is Scorpion, which rumor has it might be getting sold. And right in front of us there is Tigress. So This is a neat little, sky view, kind of like what they do with Williamsburg. You actually go to Germany, to France, France to England, England to Germany. Here, you kind of just have one way, but you do have that turnaround checkpoint here. That's the Pantopia section here, and there's Iron Quasi in the background. Iron Quasi basically dominates that whole middle part of the park, which is nice. And then over here, you also have the River Rapids. And then one of my favorite rides, one of my favorite flumes is right there, Stanley Falls. But I might not be able to get on it this trip, just because I got a lot of filming I want to do. But that's where we are. So we're coming in to Stanley Falls. Love that log flume, great log flume. But and there's Scorpion behind it. But all in all, that is our Skyview POV. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you like and subscribe for more content.